Namaste and Jojalapa. Good morning, everyone. Firstly, respected delegates on the dais and off the dais, dear students and all the parents that are present here. It gives me inexplicable joy and bliss to be able to attend 36th annual day of my school. First of all, congratulations to all the teachers for building this foundation that has given aspirations to students like me to be a leader and to be a good student. Today is a monumental day for our teachers and students. It's a day where all your hard work, dedication, and dreams have come together to celebrate this incredible achievement. We have crossed a significant milestone. And now we all are standing at the beginning of a new journey, a beginning of a new horizon, where we all aspire to dream and be a person to serve towards the community. As an emergency medical officer working in Kopa Hospital, conducted by Bhaktapur municipality itself, it gives me truly a sense of gratitude to serve to my own community. When I was back in Calicut District Hospital in Karnali Province, under the Ministry of Social Development, I saw a lot of people with a lot of sorrows, and it also made me feel truly invalid not to be able to serve in my place, which is Bhaktapur. So having an opportunity to be able to work in a foundation that's been built by so many leaders, it gives me so much bliss. So, apart from being a doctor, there is a vision that I want to be a leader, and that is what I aspire all my students to be. So, I have been working to build narratives and community-driven strategies which were taught initially from my school when I was studying in grade 7, 8, that inspired for proactive change and improve healthcare. One strategies and transformative experience for me was when I was pioneering a project regarding women's sexual reproductive health and rights in Manikarka, one of the most rural communities of Nepal. There, as a second-year medical student with limited resources, I recognized the urgent need for sexual reproductive health and rights support. I mobilized my senior resident doctors, professors to conduct screening camps for cervical cancers. And I shared powerful stories while supervising my peers in awareness programs. And throughout this, when I was leading presidency in Rotary Club of Kathmandu University Medical School, I was able to inspire 250 students to be able to get inducted in our club who are working elsewhere in any part of the world and in our countries to incite significant change in the community. This narrative resonated deeply, and I also brought a few projects there in Calicut where I saw septic abortions-related death in our communities. So we built community-driven strategies. For example, we collaborated with a lot of wards and municipalities to bring safe abortion services, safe sexual reproductive health services, which help us minimize the outcome of early marriages in Calicut. So while coming back here in Bhaktapur, I see a lot of old people suffering from chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases and flu-related deaths as well. So in terms of strengthening our own system, I feel resonated with what our seniors, what our leaders have aspired to build, strategies that will reduce lesser referrals to tertiary care centers. So I define leadership as a continuous process of learning and growth. Through the community interventions, I'm committed in strengthening health policies, fostering a culture of inclusivity and resilience, which were also taught from my very school to incite kindness when I also provide service with medicines. So it's a combination and amalgamation of peace, kindness, and compassion that we deliberate care to our patients, that we deliberate care to our communities. So I have seen the power of perseverance firsthand. The road of becoming a doctor while raised by a middle-class family who was not so easy. It was very difficult for my parents to be able to support economic strategies. For my parents, it was a big dream. And to be able to stand here, work for my community, I think I have made all my teachers, all my parents, and all my supporters very proud. So, to think proactive, to be competent while we collaborate is the necessity in this world. Because if you don't collaborate with a sense of competence and commitment, then you will be left behind. So having said that, I feel extremely obliged to say that all my achievements, all my aspirations that are still there in the near future to incite a significant impact in my community, it's all due to my seniors, teachers, and the founders of Lisa English Secondary School. Thank you so much, and I'm just so very excited to see all the students aspire and catch their dreams in the near future. Thank you so much.